Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset Kia Rio service light. Park the car, apply the parking brake, and keep the ignition off. Press and hold the trip or reset button on the instrument cluster. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine and keep holding until the service light blinks or clears, usually about 10 seconds. Release the button, turn ignition off, then start the engine to confirm. If it does not reset, repeat or consult a technician. Before attempting a reset, review the manual for model-specific prompts and sequences. Make sure the battery has sufficient charge so the procedure completes without interruption. Set the odometer to the main trip display and verify you can toggle menus with the trip button. Work in a safe, well-lit area and keep the parking brake engaged. If you see persistent warnings after resetting, schedule a diagnostic to address underlying issues promptly. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and tap like, it helps a lot. Quick recommendation. Little Tree's Black Ice is my go-to for a fresh, long-lasting scent that makes the cabin pleasant after maintenance. It's perfect to pop on the vent after servicing your Kia Rio or to cover that lingering garage smell with a cheeky twist. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the basic method does not work, try alternate approaches tailored to your model. Use the steering wheel menu to access service reminders and follow on-screen reset prompts if available. A professional OBD2 scanner will clear service codes and verify the reset without guesswork. Avoid battery disconnects unless you know the consequences, since that may erase radio presets and learn settings. When in doubt, consult a dealer or trusted mechanic for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.